Hey everyone, if you remember a few weeks back I did an episode on how to do a donut, and in that video I used a Dodge Charger, and so I was thinking about how some of you may be wondering how you would do a donut in a front wheel drive car. Now, I didn't think this was possible when I was younger, but I had a good friend named Sid who taught me how to do this. It's just conceptually, if you remember, we talked about how oversteer causes the car to slip out. Well, front wheel drive, that won't work because you're not powering the back tires. But what if you were going in reverse? So as before, follow the same steps. Find a parking lot, find a front wheel drive car, put it in reverse, make sure you got plenty of room, cock the wheel all the way to the side, and have fun. So let's be safe, get our seatbelt on. Hey, if you've ever done a donut in a front wheel drive car, leave a comment. Let me know what car you were in when you did that. They're a blast to do. You can also do other things, you can do some e-brake slides and stuff like that. Hey, if you like this video, would you please click that subscribe button, click on the bell icon to be notified. I post videos every Monday. Thanks.